A famous astrophysicist, Stephen Hawking, once stated that if a black hole were to approach our solar system, it would be a truly terrible day. His claim is far from exaggerated. Imagine being disintegrated at the atomic level in an instant due to the immense gravitational force of a black hole. The death of a human being, as well as all life on Earth, would be extremely swift and leave no chance of survival. We are used to thinking of black holes as distant objects located in remote galaxies, billions of light years away in an unimaginably vast universe that seems too large to pose any direct threat to us. But what if one of these gravitational monsters were to suddenly appear near Earth? What would happen if a black hole of incredibly small dimensions, just 1 millimeter in size, were to appear a few kilometers from our planet? Would it mean the end? These questions are not purely speculative. In 2008, the launch of the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, the world's largest particle accelerator, sparked heated debate among scientists and the public. The LHC's purpose is to accelerate particles to speeds near the speed of light and make them collide to study the results. This massive machine, located between France and Switzerland, is designed to simulate the conditions that occurred in the moments after the Big Bang, but it also raised concerns. One of the most widespread fears was that the LHC might accidentally create mini black holes. These microscopic black holes, some argued, could consume all surrounding matter, causing the extinction of life on Earth and destroying our planet in an instant. Indeed, some of the greatest physics experts, including Stephen Hawking himself, expressed concerns about this. According to one theory, the energy produced by the LHC could be so immense that it might create mini black holes through the phenomenon of quantum gravity, a field that seeks to unify quantum mechanics with Einstein's theory of general relativity. If these microscopic black holes were to form, it was feared they could begin to grow by eating surrounding matter, triggering an unstoppable chain reaction that could destroy the Earth. However, fortunately, more than 10 years have passed since that event. And if you're reading this text, it means that nothing catastrophic has occurred. The LHC continues to operate without causing any harm. Here are the facts. To create a mini black hole with the LHC, an energy level far greater than what the machine can produce would be required. Despite the LHC's impressive capabilities, the amount of energy it can handle is vastly insufficient to generate microscopic black holes. Even if such energy levels were achievable, we would need to be in a context that goes beyond our three-dimensional perception of space. This type of interaction, which would involve the fourth dimension of space, remains uncharted territory in theoretical physics and would require an understanding far beyond our current capabilities. Now let's entertain a surreal hypothesis. Suppose it were possible to create a mini black hole within our three-dimensional world. Those fearing the apocalypse can rest assured, there would be no immediate cataclysm. Thanks to a phenomenon known as Hawking radiation, the mini black hole would evaporate instantly. This phenomenon, theorized by Stephen Hawking in the 1970s, suggests that black holes are not static objects that indefinitely accumulate matter and energy. In reality, they emit a small amount of radiation, which increases as their mass decreases. This means that even the smallest black holes would disappear relatively quickly, releasing energy in the form of subatomic particles. So even if a mini black hole were to form, it would not pose a concrete threat to Earth. Nevertheless, the possibility that micro black holes already exist in our universe is more realistic than one might think. Scientists have theorized that billions of these objects, with masses reaching up to 100 tons, continuously pass through the Earth without any visible effects. Their mass, while significant, is concentrated in dimensions so tiny that they represent only a fraction of an atom. These black holes, while capable of distorting the space-time around them, are not large enough to consume significant matter or to appreciably alter conditions on Earth. Even though they are small, these micro black holes are constantly present in the universe and may already be passing through us without us noticing. Their passage has no devastating effect on our planet, and their event horizon is so small that they couldn't even damage a single cell of living matter. A mini black hole of this size couldn't even consume a bacterium on our dining table. Even if a micro black hole were to feed on Earth, the time it would take to consume even a small portion of our planet would span billions of years. In other words, Although the idea of being traversed by such mysterious cosmic objects might seem unsettling, the reality is far less catastrophic than it appears. However, there is an exception to this rule. If the diameter of a mini black hole were to increase and become visible to the naked eye, the situation would change dramatically. Imagine a black hole with a diameter of 1 millimeter. If it could truly exist, it would have a mass greater than that of 5 moons, equivalent to about 11% of Earth's mass. This would be an incredibly powerful cosmic object. And unlike the mini black holes that pass through our planet daily without causing harm, a black hole of this size would have a gravitational force so immense that it would irreparably alter the entire solar system. Its gravitational influence would extend approximately 3 Earth radii, with devastating consequences for the planet. The increased gravity would cause a significant shift in the moon's orbit, turning it from a circular path to an elliptical one. However, this disturbance would be just one aspect of a far more dramatic change. Earth itself would be torn apart by the black hole's gravitational force. The entire planet would undergo rapid and total destruction. If the black hole were to move toward Earth's center, there would be nothing to stop it. In less than an hour, the black hole would reach Earth's core, traversing the entire planet. Once it emerged on the other side, it would continue orbiting the Earth, gradually devouring the crust and mantle, destroying everything in its path. Earth's temperature would reach infernal levels, with a disk of molten rock and incandescent gases resembling an enormous cosmic oven. Scientists estimate that such a process would take about 5 billion years to complete. During that lengthy period, Earth would be reduced to a shapeless mass of gas and glowing matter, and life as we know it would have no chance of surviving. The asteroid belt, disrupted by the black hole's gravitational pull, would cause a rain of fragments that would strike the surrounding planets and celestial bodies, destabilizing the entire solar system. Our solar system, as we know it, would be reduced to a heap of debris, and life on Earth would become impossible. However, this scenario is purely hypothetical. Scientists remind us that 5 billion years from now, humanity may have found another planet to settle on, perhaps in another galaxy, considering that our solar system might no longer exist. For now, we can rest easy. Every day, billions of mini black holes pass through Earth without causing harm. These fascinating and mysterious cosmic objects should not cause concern. In fact, it would be a spectacular sight to witness one passing through our atmosphere, but we need not fear for our survival, at least not for the time being. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to avoid missing upcoming videos.